Looking for a phone holder that fits your busy lifestyle? This durable silicone holder stretches to fit most phone sizes, making it a perfect companion for strollers, bicycles, and even shopping carts. Its flexible design means you won't have to worry about bulky cases or awkward fits anymore. What makes this holder stand out is its easy installation. Thanks to a smart strap system, you can quickly attach or remove it without hassle. Just clamp it onto your stroller arm or bike handle, stretch the band around your phone, and snap it in place. It's secure, reliable, and ready to go in seconds. The 360-degree rotation feature lets you adjust your phone's position effortlessly. Whether you want to view your screen vertically or horizontally, this holder adapts to your needs. That means better visibility and safer hands-free use while you're on the move. At Love & Care, the focus is on making life simpler and more enjoyable for parents and kids. Their products combine high-quality materials with thoughtful design inspired by nature. This phone holder reflects that commitment, offering a safe, practical, and stylish solution for everyday use. One satisfied user shared how well it works with phones in simple cases. They mentioned receiving 2 holders in the package, which adds value for families needing multiple setups. Stretchy yet firm silicone grips phones securely. Even models like the Galaxy S21 with thick cases or smaller devices like the iPhone SE 2020. Installation is straightforward. Clamp the holder to your stroller's arm, stretch the band around your phone's corners, and it stays put. It's tough enough to handle daily bumps and movements without slipping, yet easy to remove when you need to switch devices or take your phone out. This holder isn't designed for tablets, but it fits a wide range of phone sizes comfortably. Whether you're jogging, cycling, or running errands, it keeps your phone accessible and visible, so you don't miss calls, directions, or music controls. If you're ready to simplify your outings and keep your phone safe and handy, this silicone phone holder is worth a look. Its flexibility, ease of use, and reliable grip make it a smart choice for parents and active users alike. Try it when you're ready and experience hands-free convenience that fits your lifestyle.